Hi, I'm Bona and welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. For today's Cooking 101 episode, we will make Bicho-Bicho. It is also known as Lubid-lubid or Shakoy, a Filipino delicacy made with yeasted wheat dough or glutinous rice flour dough shaped into twisted ropes, deep fried in hot oil until golden and coated in sugar or caramel syrup. If you like my recipes, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and hit that bell. The ingredients that we need are 4.5 cups of plain flour, white granulated sugar for coating, 1/2 cup of warm water, vegetable oil for frying, 1/2 cup of melted and salted butter, 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar for the dough, 3/4 cup of warm milk, 2 eggs, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 pack of active dry yeast. You can also find the complete list of ingredients in the description below. To start, combine warm water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and the yeast. Stir. And set this aside for about 5 minutes or until it's foamy. Our mixture is already foamy. We will now add the remaining sugar, melted butter, milk, eggs, and salt. Stir using a wooden spoon until well combined. Once it's already well combined, we will add gradually the flour while we are stirring. Maybe 1 cup at a time. Make sure that you only add enough flour until the dough gathered into the center of the bowl. Transfer the dough onto a floured surface. And knead it until it's smooth, elastic, and until it has lost some of its stickiness. And it usually takes around 10 minutes. You may also need to use some of the remaining flour to prevent the dough from sticking onto the surface, work surface, or into your hands, just like this one. So you might need some, and don't put some on your hands to prevent from sticking too much. So, knead it like this. Our dough is already elastic and smooth and has lost some of its stickiness. Shape the dough into a ball and transfer it into a large bowl lightly greased with oil. And we will cover this with tea towel, and we will let this rise for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. Our dough has already doubled in size. Transfer the dough into the work surface. Gently deflate it by punching it. Cut it into half and set aside the other one. Form into a log and cut it in half again, and another half, and half, and half. Total of 8 slices or pieces. Using a rolling pin, flatten each portion to form a rectangular dough about 6 inches in length and 4 inches in width. Roll the flattened dough lengthwise to form a log. Using hands, roll the log back and forth against the kneading surface to elongate to around 13 to 15 inches long. Braid the log into a twisted rope like this, overlapping each side over each other. Repeat with the remaining portions. Arrange the braided dough in a single layer on a large baking pan at about an inch apart. Cover with a kitchen towel and let it rise for about 30 minutes or until puffy. Do this with the remaining dough that was set aside. In a pan over medium heat, heat about 3 inches of cooking oil to 175 degrees Celsius. Once the oil is already heated, add the dough 2 to 3 at a time, starting with the puffiest ones, and deep fry the dough for about 1 to 3 minutes or until golden. Once it is already golden, remove the fried donuts from the oil and drain on a wire rack. In a dish, toss the donuts in sugar to fully coat. And here's our finished product! Look at that! So nice and so scrummy. I'm gonna show you what it looks like inside. Oops! So soft, isn't it? Oh, I want to try it now. Time to take a bite. It's so soft and really scrummy. Highly recommend this recipe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!